Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to bend an object in Canva. While Canva doesn't have a direct bend feature, there's a creative workaround using built-in tools. Let's dive in. Start by opening your Canva project and placing the image or object you want to bend onto the canvas. Click on it to bring up editing options. At the top of the screen, click the Edit button. This opens Canva's adjustment suite where you'll find more advanced tools. Inside the editing suite, head to the Apps section. This is where Canva hides extra effects and tools beyond the basics. From Apps, select the Liquify tool. This allows you to distort parts of your image while keeping it sharp overall. Now choose the Wobble option. In its settings, increase the wobble amount to the maximum for a strong bend and reduce the wobble scale to the lowest setting for smoother curves. Once you're happy with the effect, click Save. Canva will apply the bend and return your updated image to the canvas. And that's it. You've successfully bent an object in Canva using the Liquify Wobble effect. It's a simple trick that can add creativity and flair to your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.